everyone, welcome back to our channel Miss Trailblazer. I am Pihu and I am here with yet another really exciting video, which is we got a treehouse. Yes, you heard it right. We got a treehouse right in our backyard. Let me tell you the whole story in detail, so hang on till the end. So there was this really weird structure in our backyard which held no purpose at all, at least not for me, which you could have seen in one of my videos, Fiber to Fabric Class 7. So I begged my father to make a treehouse on that structure, and guess what? He did. It took about 3 to 4 days to complete the treehouse, so let me tell you specifically what happened on each day. On the first day, a house-like structure was built on top of the weird-looking structure that was already there with the help of some bamboos. I was so excited because it was already getting a shape like a tree house. On day 2, a truckload of coconut leaves arrived at our house and the roof of the tree house was covered with these leaves, as you can see. It's looking so good, right? On day 3, more leaves arrived at our house and the whole structure was covered with leaves, including the sides. And this is how it looked. Doesn't it look fascinating? Talking about the inside of the dream house, that's when day 4 comes into action. It's the day when I decorated the inside of the tree house with some plastic chairs, a table, mats, bean bags, etc. And voila! I think the treehouse looks marvelous. Phew! Finally the treehouse is complete. And now it's party time. So after that, we had a Sunday afternoon lunch in it. So that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, Miss Trailblazer, for more fun, exciting and learning content. Bye and stay tuned for more of our videos.